I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download ADP app on your mobile in 2021. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to do that. So since ADP payroll app is not available on my Play Store because ADP payroll app is not available in every single country. So if you're living in a country where ADP app is not available, then basically even if you search it in Play Store, it's not going to show it. So the alternative way which is going to work for every single person, that's the way I'm going to be showing you. For that, you need to use your browser, right? So first step, go to your browser. I'm going to go to my Chrome browser over here. And after you go to your browser over here and search, you want to search this. You want to search for ADP mobile solution and it's going to say ADP mobile solutions. You can click on it, wait for some time. And as you guys can see, it says this item isn't available in your country. If you used your Play Store, it was going to show this. So what you want to do is ADP mobile solutions, APK-DOWNLOAD. You want to search for APK downloads and you want to click on ADP mobile solution APK mirror. Click on the first option. It'll take you to their website. Once you're in this website, wait for some time until they fully load up. Once it fully loads up, scroll a bit down over here. And once you see this, you can choose which version you want to download. I want to download the latest, so I'm going to click on this button over here. And it'll start to download. Just close this pop-up ad first, alright? Over here, scroll a bit down and rest this see available downloads. Click on it. Basically, click on this icon over here. And it'll start to download. So wait for some time. It's a bit of a long process. And over here, scroll a bit down again, click on download APK, and now it should start to download. As you guys can see, it says your download is starting. Now click on OK at the bottom, and it should work. So yeah, that's how you guys can download it. Now after it downloads is complete, it's going to show open button at the bottom. So I'm waiting for some time until it downloads. Now after it's downloaded, it's going to show you this message over here. What you want to do then is click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen, go on downloads. Once you go on downloads, you can see this. You want to double click on the folder. Once you double click on it, it's going to show you this starting app. Wait for some time. And after it completely loads up, it's going to show you install. You want to click on install and our ADP mobile app will install on your phone. So that's how you guys can install ADP mobile app. But if ADP is available in your country, just go on Play Store and download it. It's pretty easy. This is a bit long process, but in most countries it's not available. So we have to use